We have Ahana and team. Let us invite them for their presentation. Ahana.
Good morning, Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, Visindra Ma'am, my beloved teachers and viewers watching us. We, the students of grade 1B, are here to present the assembly today. You have to dream before dreams can come true.
Education imparted by heart can bring revolution in the society.
Every individual has a right to education.
You all must be wondering why we are saying slogan about education, right?
That's because today is National Education Day and these famous slogans were said by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Let's hear more about this important day from our friend Omkar.
Good morning everyone. India celebrates National Education Day every year on 11th November. It marks the birth anniversary of independence. India's first education minister, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He was a freedom fighter, scholar and an educationist. On National Education Day, India remembers his contribution in nation building, institution building and in the field of education. Thank you.
Thank you, Omkar. We all know that curiosity is the key to learning, right?
Absolutely, Ahana. Let's watch a video on curiosity by our friends.
Archit, smile.
Mama, how does this camera work? And what is it made of?
Mama, why someone knows this?
Dad, do you know how this remote works?
Yes.
Amma, I don't hate that.
Hannah, why is so much fun in this?
Mama, stop playing.
Yes, Kaivan, the internet is down.
What is dirt made of? And how plants grow in it? Beautiful videos. Thus, is education only about reading and writing?
No, Hannah. Education is much more than that. One of our friends, Needle, is going to talk about complete education.
Thank you, Dutch. It's my honor to give my thoughts on complete education. Success lies beyond academic excellence. Yes, you heard it right. Talented sports, arts, music, and various other fields also count in to be successful. Academic excellence is important, but it's equally important to develop life skills. Academic excellence and professional skills may help you to get into a career. However, to be successful in your career and manage personal success better, it is important to develop life skills. We at Merrill are developing these life skills through our M-Class sessions, which will help us to succeed in all the areas of life. This is what we call it as a complete education. Education is the spark plug to ignite talent in every individual. As Maulana Abul Kalam Azad widely said, every individual has right to an education that will enable him to develop his faculties and live full human life. Let's give every talent its due importance. Happy National Education Day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Neeral. Let us end our assembly with a dance performance by all the girls of grade 1B.
पाँव है नन्हे तुम्हारे, हल्का तुम इन्हें न समझो। सवालों की सीढ़ी पे चढ़ के बूंदे तुम ज्ञान की चख लो।
गाल और काफी लाल न होंगे, ऊंच नीच भेद भाव न होंगे। फिर बरसेगी ज्ञान की बारिश, इसी आंगन में गीले होंगे।
क्षमता अपनी तुम पहचानो, सवाल जो दिल में साथ उठा लो।
पाँव है नन्हे तुम्हारे, हल्का तुम इन्हें न समझो। सवालों के बादल पे चढ़ के बूंदे तुम ज्ञान की चख लो। पाँव है नन्हे तुम्हारे, हल्का तुम इन्हें न समझो।
शिक्षा है अब हर बच्चे का अधिकार। अब पढ़ना पक्का।
It's National Education Day. Let us pledge to impart knowledge and develop a better tomorrow. Jai Hind. Thank you, everyone.